How to turn off Instagram map. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So Instagram recently launched the map feature allowing users to share their last active location with selected followers. While it's opt-in by default, privacy concerns have prompted many users to disable it. So here's how. So what you gotta do is simply head over to your profile here at the bottom right, and then you gotta click on these three horizontal lines. So, if your application is updated and if it has this Instagram map feature enabled, then all you need to do is simply search for location over here. So, if you're not able to find the location option, that means either your application is not updated or that feature has not reached your region yet. So, you need to either update your application or just wait for that feature to reach your region. If you're not able to see the option yet, then no need to worry because that feature is disabled for you for now. And the other way is go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, you're going to scroll down till you find apps, click on apps and search for Instagram. Here, click on Instagram and you'll be able to see this option location. Simply click on it. And if it is on always or while using the app, you're going to click on never and your Instagram map will be turned off. Your location will no longer be shared. So that is basically how you can turn off Instagram map. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.